Excuse me. Good morning and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Penn. And today I have another top tip for you. This is a top tip where I've learnt by my own mistakes. On the cooling rack in front of me, I have two cakes, two Barra Breath, made with the exact same quantity of ingredients. I can't say the same ingredients because one has cranberries in, but apart from the difference in fruit there, exact same quantities. Okay, so this one I made on Saturday and I thought it's a little bit heavy and it hasn't risen, but okay, you know, it happens. Now with Barra Breath I do wrap it for a couple of days before eating. However, last night Steve fancied a slice, so I did it. So that's Saturday's Barra Breath. This morning I made another one. Well, there's an immediate difference, not just in size, but in weight. This feels more like a cake. So, anyway, I cut off a couple of slices, buttered them. Well, actually, I looked and I thought, not sure about this. Buttered it, took it through, sat down. Steve's eating his. All the while I'm thinking, he's going to say something in a minute. He's going to say something in a minute because this isn't right. Anyway, he got to about that much left and he said, is that your usual recipe? I was like, yes, it is. Anyway, this is what Saturday's Barra Breath looked like. Okay, beautiful, full of fruit, but it is dense as anything. And then I had a thought, was my baking powder completely out of date? Now, by completely out of date, I mean having been opened for more than 6 months and then it loses potency. Yeah, my baking powder was considerably out of date. Not telling you how much I'm about. No, I'm not, because it's been working. Anyway, considerably out of date. However, on Saturday I'd also purchased some new baking powder and I used that in today's cake. And look, so if you've had your baking powder unopened for 2-3 years after its use by date, it will still work. If you've had your baking powder over that, don't bother to use it. If your baking powder is out of use by date and you've had it open for 6 months or more, please bin it and buy new, because if you don't, you'll end up with this instead of this. Now, let's see if I can show you them both together. Right, I promise you the same recipe. I know which one I want to eat. So that's your quick tip that's gone on for about 3.5 minutes. But check the dates on your baking powder. Thanks for watching. See you again very soon in the kitchen with Penn. Bye bye for now.